Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. This is Ruby Linda, and our vlog for today is just a simple, just cook buldak ramen with me. Yes, I have buldak here. My favorite one and only carbonara. Yes, it has a hot chicken flavor. And let's see of their ingredients, nutrition facts about the calories. Shit. It looks like a fast food, no? Nga calories, which is, I don't know kung makita ninyo. I tried the because 550. Hoy, kung makita ninyo dog, please allow me to eat this one dog. Please, just right now. So, let's go! So, let's do this. Buldak. We are gonna using this one though. My dad told me. We are gonna boiling. But we are not spoiling. First, we need to boil. Of course, maraming pansit canton day. We also need to boil that one. Actually, kung magluto ko og buldak, I would like nga naa siya'y mozzarella, cheese, and also a medium rare cook of egg. Yes, that's delicious. So, karon nag-edit na ko sa vlog, which is katong my FB friends control my day, but I was in the middle of editing, and also nananapod ko yung new vlog, which is this. Cook buldak with me. And tomorrow we have another vlog, which is Fiesta Day. Yes, it's also a fiesta time. I am so excited. Oh, I love samyang. Let's do the ASMR a little bit. Oh. I can't open it. Oh, there you are. Actually, I ate this before, no? But I didn't know nga kuan siya, like trending siya. Yes, I didn't know about that one because I don't know. I am not into a digital era. Of course, as being a strong woman, of course, I will put this all together. I love hot sauce. I love I love hang. I love hot. I love sili. Oh my god. I can literally, I can smell this, but yes, I can smell the aroma. Wait, hinayos ang tingog eh. Sorry guys, wala pa manggod kay microphone. Yes. So, how are you guys for today? I hope you all are good. So, how are you? But I want na dari butang. Yes, that's I like because it's big, no? As you can see. Life at life update, guys. Diba? I'll introduce you all this one and I just like this. And right now my I don't know what is English of this one, no? Are burning bear. Oh my, it's burning. Oh. So I turn off the fan, turn off the stove. Here, I want to put egg on this one, but unfortunately my dad is like, he is prohibited. Bawal siyang egg. Here, and we need to rip this, wait, powder sa unahan. I love this one. This is my favorite noodles. But just gonna try this one. Even though I tried this before. Well, okay. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell for more videos. See ya on the next one. Bye.